This is an easy one. You can start to make some sound. Peace I am, I am, I am. Peace I am, I am, I am. Peace I am, I am, I am peace. Sing it again. Peace I am, I am, I am. Peace I am, I am, I am. Peace I am, I am, I am peace. Love. Love I am, I am, I am. Love I am, I am, I am. Love I am, I am, I am, I am love. Love some more. Love I am, I am, I am. Love I am, I am, I am. Love I am, I am, I am, I am love. Joy. Joy I am, I am, I am. Joy I am, I am, I am. Joy I am, I am, I am, I am joy. Joy I am, I am, I am. Joy I am, I am, I am. Joy I am, I am, I am, I am joy. Peace. Peace I am, I am, I am. Peace I am, I am, I am. Peace I am, I am, I am, I am peace. I am peace. I am peace. Thank you. Good morning. So let's get comfortable and try to keep your back straight as much as possible. And gently close your eyes. Take a couple of deep, long breaths. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth to relax your whole body. And observe from top of your head to the tips of your toes. And make sure you are relaxed. It's a great morning, and this place full of love and compassion and full of positive energies. And let's make an intent to continue to have this positive energy, love and compassion within ourselves and towards others. Because developing love and compassion within ourselves and towards others is so important. Think to yourself, may I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. May I be well, may I be happy, may I be peaceful. May I be well, May I be happy. May I be peaceful. Now send your loving and kind thoughts towards your loved ones and everyone in this place, your family members, your children, your husband, your wife, your grandchildren. If you wish, you can think about them individually. Send your loving and kind thoughts towards them also. May all my family members be well, be happy, be peaceful. Sometimes we have a difficult family members which is hard to develop love, but if you have someone in your life that is hard to develop love and compassion, forgive them and still send love and compassion, because the forgiveness is not for them, it's for you. Because you are the one who's carrying that burdens of anger or ill will or unlike. So forgive them. We all make mistakes. And send your loving and kind thoughts towards them. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. May they be well. May they be happy. May they be peaceful. Finally, send your loving and kind thoughts towards all living beings, all around the world. People who are suffering without food, without shelter. People who are suffering because of the man-made disasters, because of the natural disasters. At least we can send our love and compassion towards them, the positive energy towards them. May all living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. May all living beings be well, be happy, be peaceful. With the hearts full of love and compassion and positive energies, let's pay little attention to your mind. And concentrate on your breathing. Breathe in and breathe out. May peace be with you. May no harm come to you. May no difficulties come to you. May all you be well. May all you be happy. May all you be peaceful. And you can open your eyes. Thank you.